Hello, beautiful people. Come spend a morning with me at Topham Pond. It's located at 60 Astoria Avenue, with a parking lot nearby. Easy to access, even for a quick visit. The path from the parking lot leads straight to the pond. It's calm, open, and surrounded by nature. Topham Pond is a man-made pond, part of a larger Humber River watershed. It's surrounded by nature, walking trails, and a lot of wildlife. This is a great spot for families, solo visitors, or anyone looking to unwind outdoors. There is a flat trail that circles the entire pond. It's perfect for calm walk, morning jog, or a quiet moment by the water. Fishing is allowed here. It's pretty popular with locals. People catch species like large mound bass, northern pike, sunfish, catfish, or even carps. The sound of birds is everywhere. Calm, natural, and peaceful. It really adds to the whole atmosphere. I would say it's not a big or a fancy place, but it's kind of quiet spot that lets you just slow down and breathe. Thank you for joining me here at Topham Pond. If you enjoy peaceful places like this around Ontario, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more calm videos coming soon.